If your iPhone speaker is too quiet, don't stress. Here is a quick fix to make it loud and clear again. Let's get started. Check Call Audio Routing. For that, launch Settings, navigate to the option Accessibility, then hit Touch. Way down at the bottom, find Call Audio Routing. Make sure this is set to Automatic. Hearing Device Settings. Still in Accessibility, scroll to Hearing Devices. Look for Hearing Aid Compatibility. Unless you actually use hearing aids, toggle this off. This makes sure your audio routes cleanly to your phone's own speakers. Headphone Safety. Head back to the main page of Settings, navigate to the option Sound and Haptics. Then tap Headphone Safety. See that Reduce Loud Sounds option. You'll need to toggle off this option. Now, physical buttons. Don't skip this. The tiny switches on the side, flip it toward you. That turns your finger on. Then smash those volume buttons up to max. Next, swipe down from the top right, see that speaker icon and control center. Increase that as well. Lastly, what you want to do is give a fresh restart to your device and you'll be good to go. So these are some fixes for iPhone speaker too low. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.